Hi, and welcome to this video in which we'll discuss the top 5 characteristics of effective UX design. Any digital product, be it a website, an app, or anything else, must include user experience or UX design. A product's usability design can make the difference between it being a product that users adore or one that they give up on. Let's now explore the top 5 features of effective UX. User experience design is composed of several different disciplines, some of which include usability, interaction design, information architecture, and graphic design. Since UX is all about putting the user at the center of everything you make, its foundation is the process of creating products that offer clients beneficial and unique experiences. User experience and product development are linked, therefore it can help with business growth. Well, what are these characteristics? The first one is usable. A product must be easy to find and comprehend to be useful. It indicates that the user can clearly understand the product structure, design, and purpose. The user should be able to understand what actions can be taken on the product and how to take them. Additionally, they ought to be able to comprehend what the various controls and settings do, as well as how the product is meant to be used. Now think of a ride-sharing app as an example. The layout should make it simple and clear to place a food order. An example of a nice and usable design would be a part of the homepage where the user can quickly enter the destination. Number 2. Equitable. When a product is equitable, it has a design that benefits people from different backgrounds and talents. In other words, the product design takes into account the requirements of a broad audience and guarantees that all users, regardless of background, gender, ethnicity, or ability, receive a high-quality experience. Equity entails giving people the resources they require to achieve their objectives and support a higher standard of living. Because people frequently require different tools and support depending on their requirements, equity extends beyond the idea of equality, where everyone is provided equal resources. It is crucial to remember this if you belong to a group that is frequently denied the right to vote. Are the demands of a diverse group of consumers taken into consideration while you assess the equity of a product's UX? Does the product's design take into account the requirements of populations that have historically been underrepresented and excluded? You can use these queries to assess whether the design provokes an utilitarian experience. Number 3. Enjoyable. When a product is pleasurable, the user is delighted by the design. The design forges a strong bond with the user by reflecting on what they could be thinking or experiencing. A product's design need not to be pleasing to the eye for it to work correctly. However, a pleasing design complements a useful product and can improve the user's perception of the encounter. You can consider things like, are the components of the design that regard the user's feelings as you assess how fun a product's UX is? Does the user find the design to be enjoyable? Does the user experience remain engaging throughout the design? Once again, you can use these inquiries to assess whether the design provides a pleasurable experience. Number 4. Useful. A product must solve consumer problems to be useful. In other words, a user problem which is identified by the designer is perfectly resolved by the design. It's also crucial to keep in mind that helpful and usable have different meanings. Even a useful product may not always be usable. And the opposite is also accurate. Usability and usefulness are different in that usability refers to how well a product functions and is easy to use, whereas usefulness directly refers to a product's capacity to address user issues. You might ask yourself questions like, does the design bring value to the user experience when assessing how beneficial a product's UX is? Does the layout assist the user in solving a problem? And does the layout aid the user in achieving a particular objective? You can use these inquiries to assess whether you're providing a helpful experience. And finally, the last characteristic of a good UX design is simplicity. Although I've put it in last position, it's still one of the essential elements of successful UX design. A straightforward design reduces errors and enhances user experience by making it simpler for people to comprehend how to utilize a product. It's very crucial to remember that simplicity doesn't have to be uninteresting. Even a straightforward design can be captivating and visually appealing. So there you have it, guys. The top 5 characteristics of effective UX design are so listed. Any digital product success depends on its user experience design, and by including these features, you may make a product that people will want to use. Thank you for watching, guys, and for more content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!